How to record walkie-talkie chatter straight to the point. First, you get your Baofeng radio, and then you get your 3.5 millimeter to 2.5 millimeter cable to the Sony recording. This Sony recorder is from Amazon. It's around 50 bucks. You plug it in into the microphone. Then you get a buddy who's in the same frequency. Just press record, and then you start chatting. Teshuva Airsoft, Teshuva Airsoft, Teshuva Airsoft. And then you can adjust the volume on how much volume you want in the recorder. And then we play back the recording.
Teshuva Airsoft, Teshuva Airsoft, Teshuva Airsoft.
That's the quickest and easiest way on how to record walkie-talkie communications.